Alright guys, we're up here at my buddy's shop, and because it's not freezing cold in here, and we got the box in here sitting back here on the project table, which is the trash cans. Everything sits on the trash cans. We're going to do some economy layering with this OSB on the sides, the top and bottom. Got some more right here. So we're going to be wrapping it around the sides and top and bottom up to the flush with the baffle, and then we're going to be putting some birch on the front and the back for strength, doubling it up, gluing it all down, and that'll come out and overlap the edge of the OSB, so it'll be nice and strong, sealed up, and trying to maintain the economy. You know, can't be spending a whole lot of money because I don't have it. All right, so check this little dude out right here. This, I think, is a 6.5 inch subwoofer. A little dusty, but you get the idea. It's a Neo sub, so it's got a tiny little motor with a lot of power. Look how big the spider is on this. It's huge. A lot of travel in that. Still very stiff. I bet you this thing gets down. It's a nice little subwoofer, isn't it? Little bitty dude, but still cool. There's a bigger brother to it with a full-size ferrite magnet. Be an 8. A pair of those. This is Audio Dynamic 1000 series, I think. Yep. 1000 series. 10. Single 4 ohm. That's a 10S4. That's a single 4 ohm. These are excellent in a sealed enclosure or even a port enclosure. Some really good sounding little subwoofers. So guys, check these out. This is the Audio Dynamics Master Series. Got a whole set. This is tweeters. These things are ridiculous. So pretty. Here's the mid-ranges. Down in here underneath the grills. Look at those. This is like top of the line. Really, really, really nice stuff. Freaking crazy, man. Crazy. Look how cool those grills are. Those are sexy. Let's check out the big ones. The big ones. Oh, look at those things. Beautiful, soft cone. Oh, look at that. Oh, man, what a thing of beauty. What a thing of beauty. So yeah, guys, look these up. Audio Dynamics Master Series M1, M3, and M6. Look them up. Get ready to be, what the hell? Gonna do a thing. Gonna do a thing. Chicken wing. Yeah, my buddy Carmel is infinitely better with a router than I am. So he's doing the routing and ending. Routing? Routing. He's routing the route. He's routing it. That's what he's doing. So this piece wasn't big enough to do the whole thing, so we're split it up. Did a half and half, and then we're going to add some bits here to fill in. Don't even really have to do that, but in fact we might not even. But the main thing is we got 1 3/4 inch of baffle now. I think we're going to be just fine. All right, guys, got me some scrap, and this big bad boy is in here with a whole lot more beef than it had before. Get her down. Oh yeah. That's what's up right there. Man, it took a lot for me to get out today. It was warm enough, I guess. It was in the 20s when I left. It got up to the mid-30s. It's supposed to snow tonight, but I called up my friend and asked him if he would help, and he said, get on down here. That's what friends are about, guys. So, you know, that's just what friends are about. Y'all recognize this piece on the front here? This is real Baltic birch. That's what that is. That's the 5x5 sheets. 5x5, I think what they are. That's one of them. This is 1 inch thick. 1 inch thick marine Baltic birch. The real deal stuff. Anyway, we got us a solid enclosure now. All we got to do is give it a home. That's going to come in the next couple of days. If you guys hadn't subscribed already, you might want to do so, because if you're not, you're going to miss out on cool things. We got to build it a home, get it home, then we got to dress it up, seal it up, then we got to dress that up, and but lots of wiring to do, lots of things to do, amps to mount, all that kind of stuff. It's going to be good. It's going to be good. Hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell. Ding a ding ding. Yeah, baby. If you're looking for car audio stuff, check out the links down below. Use the coupon codes with the different sites. Save money all the way around. It helps me out, helps you out. Now, I'm finna go get something to eat. I'm hungry. I'm finna go get some leftovers, baby. Yeah.